Welcome! In today's quick guide, we'll walk through how to enable autofit messages in Gmail's general settings, a simple feature that makes your emails easier to read by automatically adjusting how they appear on your screen. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you are on the main inbox screen, look toward the top left corner and tap the menu icon that's the three horizontal lines you'll see in the upper corner of your screen. This opens up Gmail's main menu where you can access all your settings and features. Next, scroll all the way down until you see the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This will take you to the area where you can adjust how Gmail behaves across different accounts. If you have multiple email accounts added to your Gmail app, you might see them listed here. To continue, select the account you want to change or just choose General Settings if you want this to apply across the entire app. Once you're inside the General Settings section, scroll down slowly until you find the option labeled Autofit Messages. This is the setting that keeps your emails neatly formatted, so no more zooming in or dragging left and right to see the entire message. Now, to enable this feature, simply toggle it on. When the switch is on, Gmail will automatically resize emails to fit your screen perfectly, making messages easier to read whether you're on a phone or tablet. And that's it. You've successfully turned on autofit messages in Gmail. From now on, your emails will always display in a clean, easy to read format no matter what size your screen is. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference in how smooth and comfortable your Gmail experience feels. If you ever want to turn it off, just repeat these steps and toggle the option back off. Thanks for watching.